Here we are at Colleton State Park in Walterboro, South Carolina. In my opinion, the jewel of the South Carolina State Park system. We just stayed overnight on our way to Florida, but I did get some footage and I'm going to tell you all about this park. So stick around, I'll show you around. Colleton State Park is a 35-acre park with 25 campsites for tents or RV. We are in spot number 25. Here's a look at it. 30 amp service, water, got a picnic table, a fire ring with a flip over grill. It is off I-95 at exit 38 in South Carolina. It's about 3 miles off. Like I said, there's 25 campsites, and I should have started off by saying this isn't the jewel of the system. This is the hidden jewel of the South Carolina park system. Reason being, not a lot of people know about this park, and if I'm being frank, I almost didn't do this video because I don't want y'all coming to my park, and I won't be able to get a site. But the thing about it is even in the summer, most times you can get a site here. Apart from being a lovely park, it's also very available. It is 23 miles down the Edisto River, which runs right beside it, to the Givens Ferry State Park, and I understand you can rent a canoe or a kayak to go there. It's got one camper cabin for those that insist on, 4 solid walls and ice machine and whatnot. One primitive area for church groups and such. It's got a ball field and a volleyball court where you can go and rent the nets and the balls and all that stuff for the day. It is 11 miles away from Walterboro, South Carolina, which is a beautiful antebellum town in the South. And I'm a sucker for these towns that take the old downtown section, revitalize them, make them new again, and then fill them full of kitschy little shops. Not that I like the shops, I like looking at the old downtown areas. Not a whole great big bunch to do in Walterboro, but you are about an hour away from Edisto State Park. You can go there and your camper pass will actually allow you to go on the beach for free. Now there are a couple of negatives. On the end we were staying at was a little bit swampy, let's say, which means mosquitoes. So if you come to Colleton, make sure you bring some off or one of the Thermacell and that sort of thing. They should stay away. It is a blackwater, slow-moving river, which can mean not only mosquitoes, could also mean alligators. So I don't take my dog down for a walk on the river. I won't let Mrs. Eatin' Good in the Woods go down there for a walk on the river. For that reason, because I love the both of them and I don't want them ate by an alligator. Anyhow, this is probably, of the South Carolina park system, this is probably the one that we have camped at the most. It's just a fantastic getaway place to go hang out. Now, should you find yourself in Walterboro, there's this great little seafood shop that also has a soul food hot bar that is fantastic. Probably the best pilau rice I've ever ate. The name of the place is Williams Seafood. Coming up right here is their business card with their phone number and their information. Go by and see old Williams Seafood for the freshest South Carolina seafood and a great soul food hot bar. Well, that's pretty much the end of it. Here we are back at my site. We didn't stay but one night. We were on our way to Florida. So give Colleton State Park in South Carolina a whirl. I don't think you'll go wrong. Well, until next time, y'all be nice to each other. We love you. God bless. Bye-bye.